Kids, like, share, and subscribe to Rhymagly.
Driving through the hills and flowers, everything feels right. Turtle drives a little bus, slow and steady pace. Baby bunny, elephant, smiles on every face. Oh no, oh my, what do we see? Mud all over, oh dear me. Don't you worry, don't you fuss, we will clean our happy bus. Let's clean the happy green bus. Let's clean the happy green bus all together now. First we fill the big red buckets, water shiny and clear. Elephant strays it high and wide, splashes everywhere. Splash, splash it high, splash it to the sky. Splash, splash it low, watch the muddy water flow. The bubbly soap, foamy, white and bright. Bunny scrubs in tiny circles, making bubbles light. Scrub, scrub, scrub around, circles big and small. Scrub, scrub, scrub the wheels, scrub the windows all. Let's clean the happy green bus, green bus. Let's clean the happy green bus all together now. Grab the long blue hose, water rushing fast. Turtle smiles and rinses slow, walking off the past. Rinse, rinse, rinse away, mud is gone today. Rinse, rinse, rinse so bright, make it sparkle in the light. Let's clean the happy green bus, green bus. Let's clean our happy green bus all together now. Take the fluffy rag, soft and warm and dry. Baby wipes the shiny doors, giggles reaching high. Dry, dry, dry the sides, dry the mirrors too. Dry, dry, dry the seats, make them shine like new. Let's clean the happy green bus, green bus. Let's clean the happy green bus all together now. Golden wax, rub it nice and slow. Round and round and round we go, watch the bus just glow. Polish, polish, polish bright, shiny like the sun. Polish, polish, polish strong, clean it